Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's jump right into it. All right, so here we have Atlas on FTX on the 1 hour. So RSI bearish control zone. Let's look at this. Okay, so we do have bullish divergence. We are trying to get back above that signal line right now. We're basically right at it. Do have bullish divergence on the RSI. Do have bullish divergence on the MACD. The MACD positive momentum seems to be increasing as the MACD is crossing bullish. We are below the zero line though, so we got a long way to go before we're bullish. Now, that bullish divergence could lead us up to the 50. Volatility is very low, which means the next move will probably be big. We've basically been in this range, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, basically half a day. So we did have a nice pump here. Got rejected from the 100 and then just been trending down ever since. Lower highs, lower lows. So right now, in order for Atlas to be bullish, I would like to see us get above this second point of control at 0.02827. And to the downside would be to do a closure, a 1 hour closure below 0.0267. That would, in my opinion, lead us down to 0.02 and a half. So basically 2.5 cents. So definitely watch. If we break that level, I think we make new all-time lows. So yeah, definitely pay attention to that level. We're going to have bounces and everything, but that's where I think we would go. Now, if we do break to the upside, let's go ahead and put a fib on this and see where, if this was just a correction and a bear trap, even though we did make a lower low. Okay, so far we did come up to the 5.5, the 0.5. All right, got rejected from there. But if we do start breaking to the upside, my next target would be the 618, basically at that 3 local highs ago, at 0.0286. If we can break that, I think we come all the way up here to the 200 at 3 cents. Basically right around the 272, 1272. Could even get a wick up there. All right, so we'll come back to that. Basically after the options expire today, and we'll definitely be keeping track of Bitcoin. Let's move on to Polis. All right, so here we got Polis. RSI, we are in oversold at the moment, below the signal line. So we got a long way to go before we're bullish, long story short. MACD didn't get a fresh cross to the upside like Atlas did. We did get the rejection off the signal line. Negative momentum was decreasing for a while, but we couldn't print that green bar on the histogram. Now we're heading back down. Right now we are operating on a dark red bar so far. Let's see here. So we do have bullish divergence on the RSI and on the MACD, but we're still going down. Still going down. We haven't got that bounce yet. And if this was the bounce, we're in trouble. If this was the bounce, we're in trouble. We need to get back above basically 175 in order to become bullish again. So that's a little bit away. It would take let's see how much that would take. If this was the bottom, that would take basically 9% move. We need a 9% move, and we need to close it on 1 hour in order for us to be bullish. We start breaking down still. Remember, I was talking about 155. So definitely watch that. Yeah, if this bullish divergence don't play out, we're in trouble. And if we break that purple level, the next level I would be looking at is, wow, quite a ways down. 140 would be what I was looking at, would be what I will be looking at. Basically this down here, this lower point of control, we got a lot of hot air in between here. If we break this on a 1 hour closure, the probability of us coming down to 140, 141 and a half is high. Definitely watch that level if you're holding Polis, because this could get real ugly. All right. So those are my thoughts. I mean, just kind of wait and see. You're right. You're stuck right in the middle of this critical region. All right. You need to get back above this critical region. You need to get back above this last high. Yeah, 175. Start breaking down. We're going to go a lot lower, in my opinion. So those are my thoughts on Polis. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.